So I love this drain off. It's actually connected to the cylinder by 22mm compression, so you can do anything with it. Here these connections are brilliant. They're actually massive terminals. Look how big they are. Dead easy for installation there. Solid, durable immersion. Great cable connection. Nice, big, secure, easy access. Goes through the drain off cover. Really impressive stuff this. Secure, neat. Immersion connection, energy cutout, cylinder stack, energy cutout. Hi guys, so here I am in the workshop. Look at that, look. Plumber, installer, single parent, street pastor, here I am. So, these OSO cylinders, unvented cylinders, were donated, obviously from OSO. So they'll be used for training purposes here and waiting for a charity to come along. I've got to say, I love this product. I absolutely love it. I like the fact it's quite labour free. Everything's done for you. You know, if you look how tidy that is. That is pretty nifty stuff, isn't it? And then I've gone to fit it inside. This one is an indirect cylinder, so it's got primary flow and return. Look at that. Comes with a wall plate, pipework, lined it up, straight into the fittings, straight across. Absolutely fantastic bit of kit. Just like how easy it is to install. D1, look how simple that is. Flexible stainless steel pipe, screw to the side, look. Expansion vessel, resting on the top. I think it's brilliant. Tidy, clean, everything's accessible. So your primaries are just here. Primary flow, primary return. Cold water in. Hot water out. This is your balanced supply. I love how that sits in there. So there is room for two in here. The higher literage you get, you actually get another vessel that sits in there as well. I just like the fact it's all easy, accessible, tidy and clean. So the next cylinder is a direct cylinder, so there's no primaries in it. It's just cold and hot water going to it. And you know, the good thing about this, look how tidy it is. It's got an external expansion vessel, so it's not a bubble top. So a bubble top, you drain it down and you recharge it with air, which is fine, but it's not professional, is it? It's not professional to keep going back to a dwelling probably every 12 months to recharge it. The good thing with this, this external look. So it's all accessible, it's all clean, it's all tidy. So again, cold, balanced supply. You got your single check valve. Again, it's all on the side. And you know, a little bit of a tip as well. When you're working on vented cylinders, you can sometimes put a screw in some of the fabricated sides. So, you know, here the pipework goes along the wall, but if you want to do the pipework coming directly down, maybe it's in an airing cupboard or something, just put some standoff clips. There's some really small screws on the plastic tops. Take it right down. It can work, it will work. It just makes it look a bit more tidier.